p.m. Mountain Daylight. All the way to pay wireless companies for just Raccoon City. At 3:57 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located near Highland, Oregon, 10 miles east of Raccoon City. Source, radar indicated. Impact. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Raccoon City. North Ogden, South Ogden,
Oh boy.
Washington Terrace,
I'm ready to see what comes
Riverdale,
tomorrow.
Cooper, Cary, Willard, Marriott, Slaterville, Thayer. Interstate 15 between mile markers 339 and 380. This includes the following highways. Interstate 15 between mile markers 339 and 380. Interstate 84 between mile markers or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in a thunderstorm.
Why are you not focusing?
Prepare